you so much for coming back to watch another DIY video. I started working on this almost 2 years ago. I was going through some boxes. This is one that I'm going to show you what I'm going to use and kind of talk you through what I've already done and get this finished. I'm using some wood dowels. I took 7 and I glued them together. I took a piece of the floral wire 22 gauge from Michaels and I made a little hook. I put the hook on with some Elmer's Craft Bond glue. Let's get started. I put a little bit more spray paint on these and silver glitter. And these are already glued together, so I need to glue the other ones together. But for this one, I'm going to go ahead and glue it to the top of here. I'm using some Elmer's Craft Bond. I've never used this before, so hopefully this works. And I'm just going to secure it with some tape. And I'm going to tape these together. And I'm going to do the rest off camera and I'll be back for the next step. I'm going to cover the napkin rings with the rhinestone wrap. So I'm not going to glue the rhinestone wrap all the way around because it needs a little space for when I glue the napkin rings together. So probably gonna have that much space left. You can kind of measure yours to see how much you should leave open. And the rhinestone wrap is self-adhesive. I covered the first one, and I forgot to tell you, on the rest, you actually need a space at the top and the bottom because you're gluing them together. So make sure you do it like halfway. Cut it off. And that's your space to glue it together. Then you can finish gluing it around. I'm going to go ahead and do the other 3 off camera. I've glued the ice cubes in, and I just put a little glue on 2 ends and stuck it in. And now I have the glue going down the middle of the napkin ring, and I'm just going to glue those 2 together. I'm going to let this dry. We have that all glued up. I've glued the small ice cubes together. And the set of 3 ice cubes together. So now I'm going to glue all of the ice cubes to the wood frame and also the candle holder. Move this one out the way. Put that right on there. I'm going to put some glue on the back of the ice cubes. And I was about to put that on wrong, guys. Let me put this to the side for a second and glue the ice cubes down first. Now, this goes at the bottom. I'm going to glue the ice cubes on first, then I'm going to tape them down to make sure that they stay. Okay, now that I got that correct, now I can glue the ice cubes down. Glue the candle holder on there, and we will be through with this. Once it dries and I put it on the wall, I'll be back to show you the reveal. I'm going to put this to the side, let it dry. It has dried. I removed the tape, and this is how it's looking. Now let me show you how they look on the wall. And here is the reveal, guys. I have this up in a hallway area. Thank you so much for coming back to this channel once again and watching me create beautiful DIY. And remember, when I get to 500 subscribers, I have a special announcement and surprise. I included the pictures with this reveal to just give you a better look. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day.